Got gold wheels and it looks pretty, and it goes. Today you're watching this incredibly handsome man detail this Porsche Spyder RS in pinky purple.
Stop it, get some help.
With gold wheels. This is a bit of me. Definitely a bit of me. So a few beautiful fun facts about the Porsche. I'm over here.
Sorry.
Right? I know she's beautiful, but she's prettier. I mean, the colour's a bit... but I love it. What I also love is that performance figure's quite good on this. So 4 litre, 6-cylinder boxer engine, which weighs about 1,400 kilo. Quick maths, you American guys, 3,100 and something pounds. Let me know in the comments how far off I am off with that, but she's not fat. She's a lightweight baby. The RS stickers are stickers, not badges. The Porsche logo, stickers, not badges. The handles on the inside of the door are just a bit of webbing, whatever you want to call it, because it's lightweight. Been on detox.
Lightweight, baby!
Lightweight, baby! Yeah, buddy! Lightweight, baby! Yeah, buddy! This is the Porsche's first ever wash. Purchased brand new from Porsche Bolton. Fully spec'd up there. And when he told me the colour and the options, I was like, no, what have you done? And even he, the owner, told me and asked me before he actually spec'd the car. He went, James, what do you think for colour? I was thinking blue, like you can get a really nice midnight blue with a bit of black.
Yeah.
Oh, stunning. Don't know, I just want something a bit more out there. I'm like, don't go yellow, don't go yellow. He was gonna go yellow, right? But he went, I want a bit something out there. I said, well, go out there, just don't go yellow. He's gone pink with gold wheels.
Yeah, the rims do make it nice. I dread to think how much they cost as well.
Dread to think how much it cost if you took it to a car wash, mate.
Yeah.
It won't last very long. So laying down the wheel cleaner, couple minutes to sit, rinse away, and then we're going to contact wash all the wheels. Oh, that's tight. That's what she said. Wonder if we had a shampoo called Bubbly. Too much? Okay, too much.
I was gonna go one step further.
Go on, what were you going to go with?
Hear it there.
Go on, let's have a hear.
Something.
That's too far. That's too far, mate. All I'll say is, mate, you win. You win. Because I appreciate literally every single one of you that subscribe, like the videos, watch our stuff, and engage with my content all the time. I'd like to give you a free checklist on how to prep and decontaminate your paintwork safely so you can confidently do it on your own car. It doesn't matter if it's a Toyota Yaris, a Vauxhall Astra, a Porsche Spyder RS in pink with gold wheels. It does not matter. It's the same process, which is free below this video. Thank you from me to you. When you're doing your wheel cleaning, as silly as it sounds, dust cover on the wheel, just give it a tight little nip just to make sure that doesn't fly off. And if you do see them, replace them. I've got loads in the van. Very quick and easy just to replace them. All these little things that you're going to learn to pick up from us along the way. If you are liked and subscribed, of course you are. And if you're not, why? You'll learn a lot.
Oh, it's just so nice that, isn't it? That'll be him. He's definitely done that to put a smile on our face as well.
Of course he has. I would do exactly the same and you would as well. And if you didn't, I'd be disappointed. Don't get lazy, guys. Get down to the car, okay? So if I'm stood up here, I'm going to miss the lip above the reg plate. I'm not going to be able to get into that diffuser. Use your angles, get down to the car. Worst case scenario, just get eye level with the car. If it'll be up and down, it is what it is. snow foamed. Now we're clean for most people. Now we're going to contact wash the whole car because get what you pay for, right? Because that's what he wants. It's got gold wheels and it looks pretty. And it goes vroom and it's fast.
That's all you need to know though, to appreciate a car.
Yeah, I'm just not that guy.
Listen to me as I slow it down. Dreams are yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. Slow it down.
Someone left a comment in one of my last videos about where they can get hold of the really ugly Jubilee clip Chinese blower. You can't buy it. I don't know where you can buy it from because I don't understand Chinese. You won't want to buy it anyway. The last one caught fire and turned into a little flamethrower. It started smoking. You know when something's burning, plastic burn, you think, oh, honestly I thought nothing of it, just carry on using it. Admittedly, I was using it for the interior because my air compressor blew up. And then it just literally, out the back end, as I'm using it for the interior to blow stuff out, it just fucking caught fire, mate. It went for a good 5-6 seconds. And I still held it. I still held it. I threw it in my bucket and it just went and then complained about it and they sent me a new one out. Do not set cars on fire. This drying towel on Amazon for about 11-12 quid because I thought this was exactly the same ones that EZ Car Care buy. These are two of the EZ Car Care drying towels. Clearly see there's a difference in colour to start off with. Now arguably you could say, well, these have been washed quite a few times, may have taken the colour out, but first and foremost the size. Alright, this one's smaller. Slightly smaller, right, but it's smaller. It doesn't feel as plush, even though it looks it. It doesn't hold as much water, but it's weird because when you look at it, it looks exactly the same. Exactly the same. But these are slightly better. Weird, isn't it? What I'm trying to get at is, they're like 20 quid. This is like 11 quid or 11-12 quid. And I thought, happy days. Over enough towels, you save yourself a lot of money. They look the same, 1400 GSM. And I've been using them both. And this is not very good. Now I'm starting to buy the Rag Company ones and more expensive ones because I'm realising myself, I need literally like 4 or 5 of these to do a good full day's worth of safe drying on the car. Or compared to those, I could probably have 2, maybe 3 and still get the same result. Honestly, you do really get what you pay for. Quick turbocharged brake. I've already done the fruit. If you don't know what a fruit is, by the way, it's a front boot. It's not a trunk or frunk, it's a front boot fruit. All that's done, all the little detail work's done, dried pretty much, apart from the very end, quickly fly around. The turbo's kicking in. Anyway, spooling, and time for the interior. So, I'm gonna do some really quick shots of the interior. I'm not gonna go too much about it, other than just appreciate how beautifully race car stunning the inside of this Porsche actually is.
So good, so good.
APC feather tipped detail brush. Nice little tip for you when you're just doing maintenance stuff on steering wheels. Now I don't need to go in with steam cleaner, don't need to go in with agitating it or any of that. I use 2 brushes, or you can use air to air blow it out if you want to, but this is how I'm going to do it for today. It's not that dirty, so I don't need to go absolutely batshit crazy, to put it politely. So as long as you get full coverage, don't have to worry too much about the micro suede steering wheel. I'll get that in a bit. Just for now, make sure we get in front and behind the flappy paddles. No one likes a dirty flap.
What do you mean by that?
Also get the face of the indicators behind them as well. No one likes a dirty face. With my microfiber, wipe away. And if you see any bubbles, all I'm going to do is just get rid of that with me more stiffer feather tip detail brush. You see how soft that is compared to that? Tightly packed bristles, more sort of softer bristles. So there's different levels. One up from this is then your boar hair or horse hair brushes like that. And then a step up from that would be a nylon detail brush. Okay, so that'll be the next step up from this. Hope that helps, guys. So that'll be mainly for your plastics and stuff. I don't half get these nostrils in places where they probably shouldn't be. That's why I'm making like noises like I'm on top of the missus. Oh, you're like a ninja, you know. 1 minute you're there, next minute you're here, and then I look up from there and then you're back there. I don't know where you are half the time. A few people have been asking where Tom is, and Tom is no longer with us anymore. He's moved on to other ventures, but now we have Elliot. There he is, the handsome man himself. We get on very well, not if you can tell. So bigger and better things that we're moving forward, all the exciting stuff that we've got from the checklist, the challenge videos that we're going to be doing, other cars that we've got planned, flying in a hot air balloon around the world in 24 hours while hanging upside down, bungee and snow foaming car, all that stuff's to come. Right, make sure you subscribe because you'll miss stuff. Oh, Car Pro Pearl if you're wondering what it is. Now time for my favourite bit, as always, the after shots.